Hey everyone, Dr. Jeremy Trunk at Balance with an Integrative Physical Therapy. Today I want to show you my favorite homebrew exercise which can help with shoulder pain, neck pain, and headaches. This is a technique that I came up with to help myself having issues in those areas, and it's been also one of my favorite exercises to give out to patients in this area. We're going to be working today in the side of the neck as well as kind of in the back side, and we're going to be using this tool, this point roller. The link for purchase of this will be in the description for the video, and you're also going to be needing and using a belt. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the belt, and you can use any regular belt as well. This is kind of one meant for stretching, but you can use any regular clothing belt for this. You're going to loop it all the way down to the end just to create a small loop, and that's going to go on the back handle, which will go on the back side. And so what you're going to do then is the side you're going to stretch, that hand's going to go on the front handle. Back handle will be held by the opposite arm, and with that, you're going to be able to grab the tissue a little bit more effectively and grab that angle for a lot of that tissue in the tight backside of it. And so you can roll the roller across the tissue, but then when you feel a sensation that feels like a knot, feels like a rope, tolerable tenderness, or hurts good, then that's where you're going to want to stop. For tighter, more chronic, stubborn tissue, you're going to want to hold for a minimum of 2 to 5 minutes. For any shorter releases, you can still do around 30 seconds, which will still produce a release, but just know that it will be a little more of a short term. And with that, just a heads up that because of these little spiky balls on there, is that if you are going to be going out and you have an event going to, and you're trying to look nice and pretty, just a heads up that this can sometimes leave a little bit of mark on the skin for sometimes even up to 12 hours. The relief you get from it will absolutely be worth it, but just in case you are going to be going to an event, you may just want to choose your time frame of self-treatment a little bit wisely. But that should be an incredibly helpful tip for, like I said, shoulder pain, neck pain, and headaches. And if that doesn't work for you, know that there are oftentimes multiple pieces to the puzzle as to why you're experiencing what you are experiencing. So for more helpful tips like this, you can visit our website, which will be in the video below. You can sign up for our newsletter. And until then, we'll see you next time. Be well.